Shady place. Here's a shady place. I'll be back. Here's like me. Ah, no, this is shady. Okay, a sunny place. That's a sunny place. Come on.
Looks like I'm in a sunny place.
What?
Oh boy.
Mushroom.
Yeah, let me think.
Mushroom is poisonous.
Mushrooms grow near trees.
Trees all over the place.
Yeah, when you're in the woods, they grow. No, I wouldn't try that one.
Too quickly.
Look, let me show you something here.
Wow, there are leaves that look like needles. I mean, that tree has sticks that look like needles.
Okay.
I don't think a mushroom. I know what a mushroom looks like.
This green stuff right here is growing up like that. That's a fungi like mushroom. But it's not a mushroom. Well, it's from mushroom.